Hey, travel enthusiasts, ready to discover a hidden gem in the Philippines? Welcome to Butuan City. This underrated destination is packed with history, culture, and natural beauty. So buckle up, grab your cameras, and let's dive in. First up, the Butuan National Museum. This place is a treasure trove of artifacts dating back to ancient times. From prehistoric relics to Spanish-era collections, it's a feast for history buffs. And guess what? You'll also find the Balangay, an ancient boat that proves Butuan was a bustling maritime hub even before the Spanish arrived. Next, let's hit the Delta Discovery Park. This eco-adventure park is perfect for thrill seekers. Get your adrenaline pumping with the longest zip line in Asia. Imagine soaring above lush forests and rivers. It's a view you won't forget, and if you're not into heights, no worries. There are ATV rides, horseback riding, and even a hanging bridge. Now slow down the pace with a visit to the majestic Mount Mayape. This mountain isn't just for climbers, it's also a serene spot for nature lovers. The panoramic views from the summit are simply breathtaking. On a clear day, you can see the whole city and even parts of neighboring provinces. Perfect for those Instagram-worthy shots. Feeling hungry? Let's head to the Butuan City Hall grounds for the street food market. Here you can savor local delicacies like kinulo, a Filipino-style ceviche, or balanghoy, a sweet cassava treat. And don't miss out on the grilled seafood, fresh, flavorful, and a true taste of Butuan. For a touch of spirituality, visit the Banza Church ruins. This is the oldest church ruin in Mindanao, and its history is palpable. Despite being burned down by Moro pirates in the 18th century, the site remains a poignant reminder of the city's colonial past. The towering trees growing around the ruins add a mystical vibe. Finally, end your day at the Agusan River. A river cruise here is the best way to unwind. As you float past mangroves and local villages, you'll get a real sense of Butuan's natural beauty and community spirit. It's the perfect way to close out an adventure-packed day. So there you have it, Butuan City, a blend of history, adventure, and natural beauty. Whether you're a history buff, a thrill seeker, or a foodie, Butuan has something for you. Don't miss out on this underrated gem on your next trip to the Philippines. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and see you in the next adventure.